In this video, I will show you how to add text on any surface in Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Go to Type tool. Choose this font, white color. Type your text. Adjust the text. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T, right-click and choose Perspective. Follow the process. Choose the text layer. Right-click and choose Blending option. Alt, press Move. Press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.